Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Honda Odyssey EX. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.